As long as he stays away from the weir, we're good.
Yeah.
Captain O'Brien!
I was out here in the spring in one of my little floating chairs.
Yep.
And one of the local cops came here and chased me out.
Did you really?
Yeah.
No.
He says, "You can't float that thing in here." I said, "Why not? There's no signs posted that says you can't put a boat in here." Well, local, you know.
Man.
They're near the police officer, so.
What's that?
They're near the police officer. He didn't see no problem with it.
Yeah.
Probably because he wasn't on duty.
Probably. No, I think this guy just wanted to bust chops. You know? Very nice.
Excellent.
Christened it.
It floats.
Oh.
It not only floats, it doesn't take on any water.
Well, I hope not.
That wetness is probably
Do I
just
pull you right up?
the christening. That's just the christening. Okay,
Molto grazie, signore.
Wow, Mike, what a guy, standing in muck. What a friend.
So who's next?
Woohoo!
Thank you very much indeed, sir.
Very nice.
Anna.
Nice job, Brand.
She floats.
Now I'm going to use a fish.